This is a 2016 Jeep Compass, and we are replacing the side mirror. First thing we have to do is to remove this sail panel on the door. Use our trim tool here and get underneath there. There's two fasteners that hold it on. Now underneath that cover you'll see an electrical connection, and we have to disconnect that. Little lock right there. Now the other part of the connector, we want to remove that. Okay. Now we can move this out of the way. And now you can see the two 8mm headed nuts that hold the mirror on. And the bottom one right there is down in the door panel a little bit, so you got to be very careful you don't drop it down in the panel. So we're going to remove those nuts now. Here's the nut. I didn't drop it down the door. That's the bottom one. Now let's get the top one. Of course, putting that nut back on is going to be a little bit of a bothersome chore, but I think we can get her done. There's a washer on it that is not fixed. There's the other nut. Underneath the door seal, you will see the third 8mm headed nut that holds the mirror on, and we have to remove that now. Now there's nothing holding the mirror on, so it should come right off like that and feed our electrical connection out. So the mirror is all out. To replace the mirror, all we have to do is feed our electrical connector back in, line up our 3 studs, okay, now we got to put the nuts back on. We've got the nut behind the seal in, and the top one. Now the tough one, the bottom one. We don't want to drop that down the door. Okay, I got it without dropping it down the door. There it is. As long as you have thin fingers, you can do this. If you have thick fingers, you're going to have to take the door panel off. But as long as you got thin fingers like me, you can get this in there. That was touch and go. There it is. We don't want to drop the wrench down there either. Of course, it'd be a lot safer with the panel off, but it can be done. So next thing we have to do is put this connector back in position, pushes right in there. And now for our electrical connector. Okay, electrical connector is all in. Now for the little sail panel. Two little clips right there. Put those in position. There it is. The mirror is all in. So that's all it takes to replacing your outside mirror on your Jeep Compass.